name is Colleen. I am a Seattle-based lifestyle and fashion blogger, and today we're in my car again because we're going to do another vlog style video. Today I'm going to Origin Salon Spa in Redmond to get a facial. Believe it or not, I have never had a facial, so I'm really excited. I'm going to be getting the European facial, and I asked you guys on Instagram if you have any questions or concerns or what it's like to get a facial, so I'm going to answer those with my esthetician. And yeah, excuse the no makeup face. I'm just trying to be super prepared for my facial. So let's head on over and I'll take you guys with me.
Over your serum and under your sunscreen. This one's moisturizing. Yes. Even in winter. Do you go skiing or snowboarding?
No, not really.
Yeah, but it's still
Like so my food is
yeah. It's sunny today, but really.
Alright you guys, I am back. Honestly that was so good. Okay you guys, so I just got back home from my facial. I just wanted to sit down and talk to you guys, tell you a little bit what she did and what we talked about and everything. So first of all, I went to the Origin Salon and Spa in Redmond, Washington. They pretty much use all Aveda products, which I love. I love how kind of natural and botanical Aveda products smell, and they work really, really well, especially their hair products. To be honest, I haven't tried any of their facial products, none of their like moisturizers or masks or anything. So this facial was actually perfect because I got to try out a lot of their like masks and serums and everything. But yeah, the facial was really, really great. Again, it was my first facial ever, so I was really excited to get it done. I pretty much told her my two main skin concerns are acne and oil. I do, as you can probably tell, have pretty oily skin, and it does kind of break through my makeup a lot throughout the day, pretty much every day. So that's my main concern, and then just a little bit of acne. I don't really have a lot on my face, just a little bit like in the chin area, mostly hormonal acne. The facial that I got was the European facial, and I'll just read you from their website what it says. So this is the European facial. It says, experience the power of science and nature. Our European facial, customized exclusively with Aveda products, is 60 minutes of luxury for your skin. The European facial includes 2 rejuvenating Aveda Tulicera concentrates and 2 Aveda botanical masks. your skincare specialist will recommend the appropriate skincare products for that day and for your home regimen. So yeah, that's exactly what happened. She washed my face, cleansed it, did a toner, and then we steamed for probably about 3 minutes or so. She just put like a steamer on my face and it opened up all my pores. And then she went in and did some extractions. To be honest, she didn't really do too much because I don't really have a lot of extractions on my face. Thank Jesus. Then after the extractions, she did a quick kind of massage, facial massage, really like brought the blood flowing into my face, and did kind of a little shoulder massage. She did an arm massage. It was so relaxing. And then after that, she did a mud mask. So mud everywhere. I think you guys saw it in the little clip in the beginning, but the mud mask kind of just draws out impurities and really cleanses and detoxifies your skin. And then after the mask, she applied some serums, moisturizer, and sunscreen. So all in all, it was a pretty standard facial from what I've heard from most people. Again, I have not gotten a facial before, so I don't, to be honest, know. But the Aveda products were super nice. I loved how they smelled. To be honest, my skin looks really good. Really clean, clear, moisturized. Everything was so great. I'm super happy I got this done. But I also wanted to answer a few questions for you guys. I had a few of you ask me some questions on my Instagram, just kind of like what a facial is like, and what you can expect. And I had one specific question actually. This is from a girl named Kendall. She is another local Seattle blogger. Her handle is Sins by Ken. So she says, "Oh my god, so glad I saw this. Literally have my mother looking into facials for me because I've never gone to get one done myself. I have eczema, so are there any facial options that are still good for people like myself? Thanks girl, have a good time, relax." So yeah, I asked my esthetician if you can get a facial if you have eczema. She said pretty much what eczema is it creates a barrier on your skin where moisture can't really get in and your oil can't really get out. So your skin is kind of battling itself. So pretty much what she said to do is really keep your skin really moisturized. Use stuff specifically for eczema to moisturize your skin. And as far as facials go, you can certainly get a facial and get something really gentle done. You don't want something super like stripping and detoxifying like the mud mask that I got done, but you can certainly come in for facials once your eczema has cleared up for the most part. So really try and keep your skin hydrated, moisturized, and the eczema under control as best as you can, and then book a facial and you can get something super light, super gentle done. And they do a ton of facials for people like that, so it's definitely not uncommon. You just want something a little bit more gentle and less like harsh and clarifying. So yeah, I hope that answers some questions. As far as the whole experience, I think I pretty much covered it. Just a disclaimer, they did offer this facial for me for free, which was very nice of them, so thank you guys if you're watching. But I really wanted to make a video for you guys just kind of telling you my experience and what it was like. If you've never had a facial or if you're interested in getting one, then definitely check them out. They're in Redmond, Washington, which is about 20 minutes outside of Seattle. Really not far at all if you live in the city, but I would highly recommend them. All of the girls are so nice there. And if you guys have any other questions that I missed or that I haven't covered, then definitely leave them down below and I'll answer them. Or you can find me on Instagram. I'm always on Instagram. So leave me a comment or DM on there as well. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you guys enjoyed coming along with me on my day, my little spa day. And please don't forget to subscribe down below as well and give me a like. That really helps out my channel and gets me noticed in the YouTube algorithm. So help a girl out. And yeah, I hope you guys are enjoying the rest of your day. I will talk to you guys in the next one. Bye guys.